I request him to come along with his parents on the stage to receive memento and certificate from our esteemed chief guest. Saudamini Sahu.
Where are we at? Nichalo. सामने
Saudamini Sahu, student of mathematics. She has secured first rank with 94.6 percentage. She is a lively and a talkative girl who balances her cheerful nature with sincere study habits.
सामने
Nangu Nisha.
सामने
Nangu Nisha, a biology student, secured first rank with 90.8%. She is a quiet and well-behaved girl with a polite and a pleasant demeanor. Kenya Devakar.
सामने देखिएगा मैम सामने देखिए
Shamina Devakar, art student, she has secured first rank with 97%. She is the head girl of the school, a confident and articulate speaker who has actively participated in numerous speech and oratory competitions, representing the school with pride and excellence. Shreya Dixit.
सामने देखिएगा आगे सामने देखिए